Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to connect your custom domain to Vercel in just a few minutes. It's super easy. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Vercel account at vercel.com. Once you're in, pick the project you want to use, click on it to open the dashboard. It's your control center for this setup. Next, go to the Settings tab and then click Domains. Hit Add Domain, type in your domain like example.com and press Enter. Vercel might ask you if you want to add the www version too. Pick what works for you. Now, Vercel will show you some DNS settings. Head to your domain's registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, log in and find the DNS section. For a main domain, add the A records Vercel gives you, like pointing to some IP addresses. For a subdomain, use a CNAME record pointing to your Vercel project URL. Save those changes. After saving, it takes a little time, anywhere from a minute to a day, for the internet to catch up. Once it's ready, type your domain into a browser. If it loads your Vercel site, you're golden. That's it, guys. You've connected your domain to Vercel. If it doesn't work right away, double check your DNS or wait a bit longer. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've got questions, and I'll see you guys next time.